Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's time for a new catalog. This is the mini catalog and it starts in September and it goes through December. So lots of great things and I have some products to share with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me keep track of where exactly we are in the book. Okay, the first thing that I want to share with you is this collection, and it is called A Little Bit Festive, and it's got some papers and die cuts. Okay, so I've transferred all my papers into these cellophane bags. They come differently when you receive them from Stampin Up, so take note. Okay, so this is the first. I think it goes like this. It's got some, well, I don't know. It goes, ornaments, tops of the ornaments. Ornaments on pine branches, and then the flip side is like candy cane paper. Got a interesting knit looking paper. Love this gingham plaid. Really like that. Okay, so it comes with some die cuts, and these are just pop aparts, and like this piece here, it'll pop out, and that one as well. So yeah, they'll easily pop away from the papers. We've got some borders and card fronts and cool things, and then Christmas trees, and that's kind of cool. That pattern. Festive. And then we've already lost a pop apart. It's in here somewhere. Okay, so we've got lots more, and I love these trees here. Those are fun, and these just they'll come apart really easy, so you can use them on your scrapbook pages, and they're also gold foiled, which is cool. Okay, here's some more scrapbook pages and Christmas cards, and here's another bit that fell out, and I'll track everything down. They'll show up. They were all in here to start with, so okay, so lots of fun. I'll get some use out of that. For those of you who don't want to do a ton of stamping, everything's done for you here, so put your pages together. Okay, so that's the first one, and then let's see, the next collection that I got the suite, and it's called Season of Elegance. Okay, so we have a lot to look at here. Let's start with the paper. Okay, Season of Elegance, and this paper is foiled. So we've got the green, it's like distressed. That's pretty cool. And then it's also, it's got gold foiling. So I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but very cool. And then the flip side, distressed green, like that. And then the flip side. Ooh, look at that. Red, and the flip side. Nice. More greens, and the flip side. Ooh, I like that. It's like on a canvas too, like that. And then that's pretty. I think it's like a peacock. Oh, it looks like dripping paint almost. That's cool. And it looks like close up, it looks like a painter's canvas. A little texture to it. That one, and then that one. Nice. Okay, that's the paper that's part of Season of Elegance. Keep my name label. Okay, and then part of that suite, we've got these. They are gold textured adhesive backed dots, and they look like glass. They're pretty cool, but there is sort of a texture to them, so nice. And this is an embossing folder, and it's a 3D embossing folder, and it'll do these trees. So I'm not going to open it up. It's like that inside, but it's a 6x6, good size. And we've got some ribbon that is, it's got a border of gold, and the color is cherry cobbler. And then we have stamps and dies. So this is the stamp set called Peaceful Season, and lots of Christmas sentiments, and something that another demo pointed out, this sentiment here says love from our home to yours, and then love from my home to yours. So that's good. They've thought of everybody. And then we've got our clear stamps here, and then the dies that are part of that set are right here. So we've got, this is great, we've got Christmas and then the outline for it, and then we've got some banners and other things that the sentiments will fit in. Nice. Okay, so those are the dies for Peaceful Season. And then we have Peaceful Evergreens. And I love this. It's just a beautiful, delicate tree. And you can use this on backgrounds. You can use it on your whole card. Very nice. So we've got cling stamps, and they're good size too. Nice. They will get some good use, and not just for Christmas. Okay, and then the dies. I haven't opened this one yet, so bear with me here. We'll get into it, and we'll see what the dies look like. I'm trying to go fast so this video isn't tremendously long. Okay, so, oh cool, we've got snow, we've got more trees, we've got the outlines, and then we've got the layered stars and banners for sentiments, and then more trees and a, oh no wait, this is for a bow. This creates a bow. Cool. Love it. Okay, nice. Awesome. Surprise, surprise. Okay, all right, so that is Peaceful Evergreens. And that all comes in that one suite that's called Season of Elegance. Okay, so then the next collection, I did not buy the whole collection, but it's part of Reindeer Days. So these are the real red and white adhesive backed peppermints. So, and they look like those peppermint candies. And Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder. So we've got a plaid, and this is a nice size embossing folder to create a plaid embossed background. Nice. Okay, then the next suite is, that I have, Nests of Winter. Okay, so let me bring that in. We've got the embossing folder, and if you've seen one of my recent videos, you've seen this already. It's the birch embossing folder. And then we've got Winterly Treetops, some pretty birds, and you can color them any color you want. And this is a cling stamp. And then some nice sentiments that are not Christmas themed, which is awesome because then you can use these all year round. A friend like you brings me happiness, sending thanks and much love. Like that. Okay, so then these are the coordinating dies. And get in here. This is nice. It's got a card front die that creates pine boughs and sprigs. And then we've got some more leaves and other coordinating images. This particular die, both of these match up to the paper. So you can cut out the paper, and it also matches up to the stamps. So it'll cut out these birds, but then it also cuts out the birds on the paper. And then we have a nice sprig pine bough. Cool. Very nice. So that is the Winterly Treetops dies. So part of that suite, we've got some natural tones linen thread and the earth tone shimmer gems. Okay, so I'm going to open this because there's one more color. If I can get into this, there's one more color that's being covered up by the label here. I'll show it to you, but so pretty. There we go. Nice and sparkly. I love my sparkles. Okay, so this is the paper. I'll get this out of the way. And I'll show you the papers. So these are the ones that match the dies. You can cut out the birds. So we have that one. Get it like this. And on the flip side, got snow. And we have more birds and pine cones. Nice. Green stripes, green and white stripes, more birds. And flip side, actually I think the dies might match this one. I will do a video using them and I'll show you. How about that? And then we've got birch tree with lots of birds in the trees. And then closer up here, you'll see there's birds sitting on the branches there. I like this one. So you can use this like on a card front. I've got some birds, nice. Or you could just use half of this on a scrapbook page. And the flip side, little bird prints, bird feet prints, nice. And what are these? I can't remember. It will come to me as soon as I stop talking. So we've got some birch wood and then cattails. That's what it is. Okay, so winterly treetops. Okay, next one I want to share with you. Okay, this has got to be my favorite of the catalog. This is the Regal Winter collection. And okay, let me start with the paper just because they've knocked it out of the park here. It's gorgeous. Okay, so this is the Regal Winter DSP. Check out these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, look at that. Such a pretty floral. And then the flip side, wow, look at that. Nice. That's pretty too, look at that. And a nice plaid with peacock, I think. And then, wow, nice. And then the flip side, ooh, look at that. Such a pretty blue floral, look at that. So pretty. Ooh, look at this one. I'm just having a great time. This is the first time I've seen the paper in person and not just the picture in the catalog. So that's so pretty. Wow, look at that. And we've got some purples. Oh my goodness. And the flip side, wow. So pretty. And then another one in like burgundies. I need to start learning all the color names. Stampin' Up colors. So pretty. Okay, these are in the Regals. Regal Winter. So that's the DSP, and then there's a specialty paper, and it's called Distress Patterns, and these are foiled. So we've got this plaid that's gold foiled. Check that out. Nice. And we've got this one. Ooh, that's fun. Like for Christmas cards. Fun. And then this one. Look at that. So you get 2 of each. Nice. So pretty. Okay. So those are the specialty papers. And let's look at the stamps. So this is Regal Flora. And it's a cling stamp set. And then again, this isn't... these aren't Christmas sentiments, which is nice. We can use them all year round. We've got a thanks and missing you, sending love your way, wishing I were there to give you a hug. So some pretty florals. And then we'll get into this. The die set is Regal Floral dies. And of course they match up to the stamped images, but then you've got some extras and a nice shape that you can put on card fronts and put your sentiments inside, and then more of the flowers. Nice. Okay, so that's the stamp and die set. And then we have, these are Regal foiled adhesive backed dots. So these are pretty. Check those out. They've got little flecks of gold in them, and they look like glass with gold. Love that color. Fun, 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 fun. I love my sparkly stuff. Okay, and then this is a textured ribbon, and the color is Blackberry Bliss with gold on the edges. And this is a, it's 3/4 inch. Nice wide ribbon, and it looks like it's not grosgrain, but it looks pretty sturdy, so nice. Okay, so that is Regal Winter. And then the next one, I didn't get the whole suite, but I got the papers. This is Splendid Autumn. And these are obviously the 6x6, continuing with the other 6x6 DSP of different seasons. So we get 4 of each. 3. Autumn is my favorite. Look at that. Is it cotton? Or snowball trees in the back. I like that too. Ooh, look at that. Nice pathway with the trees. Ooh, and that's pretty. Cherry cobbler, I think. Nice. Distressed. That sunset. So pretty. And flowers. That's pretty. Ooh, look at that. And that one. I love this. I'll have to make some cards with these, like that blue one. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are my favorite. Love that. Ooh, look at that. Trees changing colors. Nice. Pretty. So pretty. There's a lot in this pack. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ooh, good color there. Pretty. All right, and that's all of it. So love it. This is the Splendid Autumn DSP. Okay, so let's see. I think that's pretty close to everything that I got. One more thing. I'm getting there. Okay, this one is the Artful Amarillas. And this one does have a Christmas sentiment, but the rest are not. So you made my day. Thanks, hello, sending happy thoughts, wishing you a bright and beautiful Christmas. And these are clear stamps. And then we have the Artful Amarillas dies. I just thought these were so pretty. The set, so I'll make some pretty Christmas cards. So this one has the textured leaves to create another amaryllis, and then the outline to cut out this image. And then we've got a border and some more of the just layering pieces to put together a layered and textured flower. So lots of fun. Okay, so that is what I've got. There's plenty more in this book to get. So check everything out. September 1st is when the catalog starts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be able to see all of my videos. And thanks for watching.